Okay, so to create a drawing view, can do it by two different ways. So the very first method is when you have your model ready and 3D format, all you have to do is go to File and go for Make Drawing from Part, and it's gonna ask you for the sheet size. So let's say you can select any of the sheet size, and I'm going to select A3 and see landscape. Press OK, and you will be creating a new drawing like that. You can drag your different views. As you can see, this is the view palette. You can drag views onto the drawing like this very easily and create different views of your drawing, right? So this is one of the way. The other way around is to go directly to File and go to New, and from here you can select the drawing. Okay. Also, you can select the same sheet size. You can do different sheet size and press OK. And this will give you a blank sheet. From there, you can browse to your model. So let's say I have the model already loaded up here, and then we can do the drawing. These are the two different ways to create a new drawing inside SolidWorks.